Guys, it's me, Meme Tech here for a quick video. I've searched all over YouTube for reviews on this liquid screen protector for my Apple Watch. And I've been curious about it because I've gone through numerous Zag screen protectors, and they're great, but I've had them peel off a couple of times with them being not really working well with my case. Excuse the noise in the background, the cat is digging in the trash can again. Hold on. Lost a lot of batteries, so I had to turn the camera off during that little interruption. But anyway, I have the Liquipel liquid glass screen protection, which offers up to 20 times more scratch resistance and apparently can give a sapphire-like hardness, 9H sapphire hardness, 20 times scratch resistant, germ-free surface, product guarantee. And it says we break it, we fix it, up to $150 product guarantee. As long as you register the product under warranty, it will qualify for a screen repair guaranteed device. You have to download this app too, I guess. And from little reviews that I've seen, the app is not that great, but all in all, I'm gonna give it a go. I do have Apple Care in case something goes wrong, so we're gonna test this out and see if it works, because there's no other videos covering this Liquipel product, and here I am covering it for you guys. This is what you get from Meme Tech. So if you like stuff like this, me hooking it up with these reviews, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon, stay tuned for more videos like this. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so let's unbox this guy, shall we? I just rip that apart, because that's what I do. I tear up packages. Just rip them apart, throw it aside. So here we have the activate your protection plan. Down here, activate your protection plan, yada yada. That's the side. You have your Liquipel, your alcohol wipe, the liquid itself, and the paintbrush. So we're gonna get that stuff out. So, oops, I hit the camera. So we got that stuff out right there, ready to go. So we're gonna get the Apple Watch and we're gonna apply this stuff. So this is probably as good as it's gonna get with my setup, and I don't have a equipment for camera directly down facing whatever I'm doing. I got my Gorilla Pod and I'm doing the best I can with this kind of setup, since my desk is now completely full of monitors. So we have the directions here. Step 1, use wipe to clean surface, prepare for application. So we're gonna use the alcohol wipe to clean our application. I'm pretty sure alcohol wipe is not what you should be using, but whatever. So step 1, use the wipe to clean our Apple Watch. Step 2, open vial, twisting off the top of the liquid glass bottle. Okay, so now we got this wiped off. We're going to use the microfiber cloth that it came with to dry it up. Nice and dry. Alright, it looks... Oh, we got some dust there. Some dust there. Some little flakes here. Alright, that looks nice and clean, I think. Alright, fair enough. Okay, so take the liquid. Now there's a hole here. There's a hole right there, so be mindful of that. And here's the liquid. So place liquid in glass tip of paintbrush with open portion facing toward the paintbrush. Press bottle and spread evenly. Bruh. I hope I followed these directions correctly, because... yeah. Alright, so we twist it off the top and we have it down like this because there's a hole in the bottom. So now we're gonna apply, press bottle, spread evenly across screen until bottle is empty. Alright, so we got it here. Now we're gonna evenly. Y'all can see that, but it says until the bottle is empty, so I got it all over the screen, so I mean that should be. Alright, so now we gotta let it dry for 5 minutes. So, hey Google, set timer for 5 minutes.
Sure, 5 minutes. Starting now.
Alright, so let it dry for 5 minutes and then we'll be back. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes, a little longer actually, so we're supposed to clear out any excess liquid at this point. Supposed to just buff it up. Buff it up. Oh, my mouth is right on the microphone. I apologize for the clipping of the audio. So I guess it's applied now. It looks pretty clean. I can't tell. It's almost like there's no protection on there because all you did was apply a liquid on there. Now it's dry. So let's turn on the watch and see what happens. See if it affects any screen clarity. I'm skeptical of liquid screen protectors, man. But so far, the watch looks pretty damn clean, not gonna lie. It's like there's no protection on there, but there is apparently. The watch is taking a while to turn on. I might fast forward. Oh, there we go. Just put in my pen. And there you have it. It's applied. It's like there's nothing on there, but we have sapphire glass-like hardness on here now, apparently. And when I run my finger across it, it just feels like normal glass. And when I talked to the person at Best Buy about taking off the screen protector, they said it is possible to peel it off, but you'd like have to break the watch to take it off because it's so thin and it's like right on there. So with sapphire hardness, I expect no scratches, so we'll see. Anyway, that's how you apply it. And if I have to come back to you guys and tell you that this ended up being scratched up and the liquid gel is BS, I'll let you know. But there you have it. There's the setup. So if you like the content, the like button, subscribe, bell icon, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.